Holy
no,
bud.
right there, Brady. What are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Our neighbors have got a bunch of people over at their place right now, and they're just driving like maniacs all over the place, and we have young kids.
What's the address?
Oh, don't die.
He always wipes out.
I couldn't be that lucky.
3205 Inwood Road.
No good.
Inwood? And where is that?
Where is it?
Yes.
Just outside of Petrolia. Detachment.
In Inwood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, you lost first.
Oh, reverse first.
Like, they're just dangerous driving everywhere.
Okay, and what's your name?
Oh, man. Holy.
Sorry?
What's your name?
My name's Paul.
Paul what?
Wellington.
Yeah, they did. Oh, fucking right.
And how many vehicles did you say that?
There's a right there. Volkswagen. Hatchback.
Oh, dick. Oh, dick. Oh, dick. Oh, yeah, he did. Yeah, he freaking did. Holy. What just happened? Holy.
Sorry, how many vehicles was that?
Just the one going now.
Okay. What color?
Red.
And it's just going up another road?
Yeah, well, he's doing like 350 at the corner of the road. Like burnouts and all sorts of stuff.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fucker.
Oh, look at the shit falling out from under there. Oh.
Fuck. Don't
Oh,
do that.
the guy hooks it onto a piece of plastic.
No,
Oh, now he's trying to pretend like he never even.
That was the tall one.
Like he never even. How you doing? You're good.
Do you know the license plate on the vehicle?
No, we're trying to get that down, but I don't know where he is now.
When did you last see
I
it?
don't like too fast. You can see, as soon as you pull up, you'll see there's tread marks on the asphalt, and there's like everywhere. No.
Okay. When did you last see the vehicle?
I'm sorry?
When did you last see the vehicle?
About 2 minutes though?
Okay.
Not even?
All right, we'll send someone around.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Friggin' rice, boys. Friggin' rice. Oh shit. Look at that, boys. Holy. Holy fuck! That's fucking awesome! Hey, dude! Yeah, he did! Holy fuck! Oh man, that was so...
Hey, I got a question for you.
What happened?
Is this how we get our tires changed in
That's how you
Edwards?
get your tires changed in Inwood. There's like a fucking pound of rubber on the road. Holy. Oh, careful. Look at fucking Inwards, boys. What just happened?
Those kids better get off the street. That guy's not even gonna be able to see when he does pull away. And there goes the kids.
Tell them to come inside.
Shut up.
Oh, and they're gonna go right across that freaking street.
Barking at. You didn't even see him.
Go pee.
And he just blew the tire. Look at all the smoke.
You're getting all this, eh, Scott?
Yeah, mine's got the screen's in the way.
Fucking asshole.
What was that? The tire?
Yeah.
I didn't even see the car from the smoke.
Great cock in her.
Well, your house smells like rubber.